Welcome to Honor Crafting. In this video, I am assembling the Knight Killer Dagger from Solo Leveling, and I'm trying to remove all the supports here from the print. And sometimes it comes out easy, and sometimes it doesn't. And here I'm actually starting to put the different pieces together. In the Bamboo Lab slicer, you can slice up a model into parts and then you can put them together like this, and it creates the dowels to connect the pieces together, so that's pretty handy. So now in this piece of the video, I'm actually using a 3D pen that uses a PLA filament to create a nicer bond between the pieces, basically to fill in the gaps, because when you glue the pieces together there's going to be some gaps, and so I'm using that to fill in those gaps. And then here I'm trying to melt that PLA into the gaps so that they'll be a lot smoother. And I'm going to do some sanding as well. And here I'm using a Dremel of portable grinder so I can even out those joints. And I'm gonna go through multiple passes of this, sort of smoothing it out and then grinding and sanding, smoothing out again, using different bits to get it to how I want it to be, and adding some more PLA if needed until I get the right I want to be able to get rid of the seam completely, so you can't see that they were printed in different parts, and it's going to be a whole piece. So here I'm using a file instead to try to grind down and even out the seam. And I think it's almost at the end. Smooth out a couple of other pieces, and I think that'll be it. Hope you enjoyed the video.